Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hi my fellow June bugs, thank you so much for joining me again in this video. Today is day 4 of the handbag unboxing February frenzy, and if you're just tuning into this video and you don't know what that means, every day this month I will be unboxing or revealing a bag in the month of February. 28 days of unboxings, 28 handbags. If that is something that excites you or interests you, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join my little YouTube family. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the uploads. So today is day 4. Whew, I don't know. Let's just see how this goes. Like, I feel like it's going by very slowly, but day 4, and it is going to be another Louis Vuitton unboxing. This bag I actually got, I think in 2020, so it has been a while. I have had it in my collection, but I just haven't really used it because I haven't revealed it to you guys. I know, I'm a little bit crazy like that. This bag I actually bought a couple of years ago, I believe in 2020, in the middle of lockdown. I did film an unboxing video, I just never got around to editing it and uploading it, so I thought I would include it in this unboxing month. It is a bag that I have kind of had my eyes on. I definitely was inspired to purchase this bag, and also I'm kind of wanting more from this collection. It is a vintage Louis Vuitton, so unlike my last unboxing, this is definitely going to be an older piece, definitely something you can only buy pre-love, but it is so iconic. If you see it, you know exactly the era that this was in. This is the first of this sort of limited edition collection that I've added to my own handbag collection, but I am certainly excited to add more. I feel like they are hard to come by though, in good condition and for the price that you're after. So with all that rambling aside, let me just show you the bag and tell you where I purchased it from, and yeah, how I got around to adding it. If you have any idea from what I've sort of been sharing with you, please pause this video very quickly and just comment down below. It's always fun to have a little bit of a guess to see what you guys think I got. A little sneak peek of the blue denim. This is what it looks like. So yes, this is in the iconic Louis Vuitton monogram denim. I love this collection. I love the denim. This denim collection came in red, green and blue. I do love the green and the blue. The pink is pretty if you're like a pink gal, but it's a little bit too bright for me. I just got the camera bag because I knew I wanted something from the denim collection, but I really wanted to get something a little bit more timeless, something that could last a little bit longer, because this denim is very Y2K. It's very reminiscent of that era, so I didn't really want to get a bag that was so very obviously like 2000s in style as well, because then that limits the longevity of how long you can use that without it being too old-fashioned. But because I've owned this for a little while, and because I've been really into shoulder bags, I've actually been thinking of adding the baggy PM as well. And actually there were 3 bags that I was considering adding. So there's this one, the baggy PM, and then also the pleaty hand carry version. I'll put pictures, but the pleaty hand carry, I know that's a little bit more popular, but it just looked too round and like saggy, because this is a fairly saggy bag because it is just denim. So I don't know, I kind of like had my reservations, so I didn't really jump the gun on that one. These bags in 2020 were going for a serious amount of money, around about 2,000 plus Australian dollars. I really didn't want to add anything over 2,000, so I managed to score this for, I believe, just under, I think it might have been 1,600. How I got to finding this was I was looking on Rakuten, I was looking on eBay, and I was looking on Vestiaire. I found this on Vestiaire and I think it was going for $2,000. And obviously when you're purchasing from Vestiaire, like a third party, they will be a little bit more expensive. I saw that on Vestiaire it was from a company seller or a professional seller. So I looked up the company. It was from a French company. I think it's called Round the Corner or something like that. I'll put the information in the info bar below so you guys can check them out, especially if you're in Europe. And I found their website and I purchased directly from them because it was actually cheaper on their website. So I purchased it through there, and then they shipped it to me in Australia and there was no issues receiving it. It is in absolutely gorgeous condition. Got a few stains, but it's not too bad. It's not heavy, it's not cracking, it's very light vachetta. As you can see, there's got a few rain or watermarks, but that's okay because it's more or less pretty even. In terms of the bag itself, so this is a camera bag. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it would be. It's a lot more north-south than it is east-west, which I don't mind in a bag. And then opening it up, the interior is this gorgeous soft saffron interior. There's no pockets in the main compartment, just this one at the front, and it comes with the koala lock there. So if you're not familiar, it's called a koala lock because it looks like the nose of a koala bear, so cute. And if you open it up, this is the inside. So as you can see, that is the original denim, and it's not too far in terms of like fading from the original. So that's something you really have to keep an eye out for when you're looking for these type of denim bags. You really want to get one in good condition. Denim tends to, like, overall it wears well, but compared to like leather, it definitely scuffs more. If you're after a denim piece, you really want to get one in good condition, and the main thing is to look out for the corners. The corners are looking really fantastic on this bag, and yeah, everything else is pretty good. It does come with this vachetta adjustable strap, but it's not removable. For me, even on the shortest setting, it's actually still a little bit long, so I think I'm going to get some holes put in. But let me show you. I'm actually wearing denim also today, so as you can see, it's a little bit long on me. I want it just a little bit shorter, but I am very petite. I'm like 5 foot tall. This would be perfect on anyone who is a bit bigger, is taller, any of that. The other good thing is that this is also perfect as a unisex bag. How I actually came across this bag was through Sarah Bell. So she also has a YouTube channel. She's got a gorgeous handbag collection, and I saw that she unboxed this, and I have seen her fiance, now husband, congratulations Sarah if you're watching this video. But I saw her husband wear this, and I inquired her about it, and she raved about this bag. So if you have a husband or a partner who wants a man purse, you can certainly share with him or her. But yeah, I think it's such a cute bag. I definitely think it's a really cute crossbody bag. Great to pair with like casual clothing with white, but also like street style. So really cute one. Love it. Really simple, but yeah, that is the Louis Vuitton denim camera bag. If you have any questions about this bag, post them in the comments section below, but definitely not going to be the last denim bag in my collection. May or may not have more coming. While I love this collection, I really do want to get pieces that I will wear, not just pieces to add. I don't even know how many pieces there are in this. Wouldn't mind adding a green, but I really do prefer the blue denim. The green's really gorgeous too, so depends. If I can find one for a good price, I may add the green. I do feel like the green's a lot more expensive though. Anyways, that is my latest bag addition. That is the 4th reveal of this handbag frenzy. Let me know what you guys think. I would love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of the Louis Vuitton denim monogram collection? Are there any that you have your eyes out for? I know it's very Y2K, but to me it sort of surpasses that era. It is very timeless and very iconic, and really to me a collector's piece, but also still like really functional and I think wearable even moving forward. If you're wanting one that is more classic, definitely go for this rather than the very Y2K, very 2000 style bags of this collection. This definitely feels more timeless in my opinion, because it is just a camera bag and it will fit like a decent sized camera. This is massive, you guys, like looks as big as my face. So yeah, that is everything. That is my video today. If you are enjoying the daily reveals and unboxings, I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up. It would really mean a lot. And of course, don't forget to share with friends or family who are also handbag lovers like yourself. Please go ahead and check out my Instagram and give me a follow there. I hope you're having a wonderful week or weekend, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.